The owner asked us not to videotape the tour, and I did my best not to videotape the tour, but I had to get a couple of splices in there, but nothing was revealed that shouldn't have been revealed. In 1881, for reasons not known, the owners abandoned the mine, and when they did, they blew up the entrance to the mine, so it was just a pile of rubble all out in the forest, and nobody's the wiser that a mine is there. Then 100 years later, the new owner of the property intended to build an RV park here, discovered water seeping out from these rocks, and so he got a backhoe and went to clear away the rocks. Well, 100 years of water came gushing out, flooding the whole valley down to the Coeur d'Alene River. And shortly after, the EPA come out and says, you got to clean this mess up. Well, he cleaned it up, but he just so disgusted, he said, forget it. So he sold the property, never investigating where the water came from and what the cave was behind it. The new owner, though, he was a little bit more curious, so he went to look and see where this cave went to. And that's when the gold mine was discovered, and that was around 1991. Today there are electric lights strung all through the mine, and lighting is quite good, but we were each given flashlights to be able to point out specific things or get better photographs of what we wanted to see. The miners back then, the only light they had was candlelight, and this candlelight illuminated a very small area. They would light the dynamite, turn, and run as fast as they could. The light would go out. Immediately they'd jump into an ore car and ride it downhill to escape the blast. They built side tunnels such as this so they didn't have to go all the way to the end of the mine, but they could just hide out in here to escape the blast. Miners look for and follow veins of quartz, because where you find quartz, you will find gold. I video this?
I don't mind at all.
Okay.
So the first thing I'm going to tell you is we're going to let one pan float.
Uh-huh.
Now what that pan for is for all the little gems that you're going to want to find.
Oh, yeah.
That's called unikite.
Uh-huh.
You throw it right in that little pan. Now as you're panning your material and you find more, you just throw them right in there.